Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Tradingview. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in tradingview.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Tradingview website. Now from the homepage, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password to log in. Once you are logged in and taken into your homepage, if you wish to delete your account, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Profile Settings. From the Profile Settings page, if you scroll down, then at the very bottom you will see the Learn More About Account Deletion option. Go ahead and click on it and you will be told that your data will be deleted only after 30 days, which means that you will have a time of 1 month in order to reverse your process. If you wish to delete your account, click on the Yes button. So click on the Yes Delete Account button and you will be asked to enter your password for confirmation. After entering your account password to confirm your identity, you may also be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. So check your email, and after entering the verification code and verifying your identity, you will be logged out from your Tradingview account and your account will be scheduled for deletion. If you don't log in for another 1 month, your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on Tradingview. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.